Hello and welcome to this episode of Daiichi Global PanVision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
I am Vilinda here. First, the news headline for Mumbai. Sandalwood stars JDS Supremo H.D. Deve Gowda glitter at Buns Association Bombay's 81st anniversary function. Here's what we have in our local news. Angry parents picket Kulasa College of Nursing after they find their children's marks card missing from the college. Cultural extravaganza Sanskriti Sinchana 2008 begins at Town Hall. Budweiser 6 vs 6 Cup Roadshow reaches Mangalore, casts a magic spell on football fans. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Kannada song from the musical evening held at Town Hall, a dance for Music Masti 2007, and a Konkani song from Saliyane Soban held at Kalangan.
Apurva for Apt Life.
Now the news in detail. Buns Sangha Bombay is one of the oldest associations of buns who have made India's commercial capital Mumbai their home. Sandalwood stars and Janata Dal S Supremo H.D. Deve Gowda were the main attraction of the grand anniversary ceremony held by Buns Sangha Bombay recently. The 81st annual day celebration of Buns Association Mumbai was celebrated at Radhabai T. Bandari Auditorium on Saturday, March 8th. Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda was the chief guest. Sandalwood stars Ravi Chandran, Ram Kumar, Golden Star Ganesh, former Minister Subaya Shetty, Prakash Shetty, Chairman of MRGA Group and MD Shetty were the guests. Association President Dr. Padmanabh V. Shetty presided over the function. Hoteliers Ravindra Arasa of Jyoti Refreshments, Shankar Shetty Anawar of Sanjog, B. Vivek Shetty and Rama V. Shetty of Vishwat Chemicals, Mahesh Shetty and Rupa Shetty of Mahesh Tutorials, Annie C. Shetty and Indira Shetty, M. Shetty of Gayatri Parivar, Shanta Gundu Shetty of Surface Graphics, Kriti IR Shetty, first woman pilot from Buns community, Anupa Shetty, pilot of Jet Airways were felicitated on the occasion. Association Vice President Aikala Harish Shetty, Honorary Treasurer C.A. Sanjeev Shetty, Joint Secretary Jaya A. Shetty, Education Committee Working President Kanire Vishwanath Shetty, Women's Division Working President Sujaya R. Shetty, Youth Division Working President Anand P. Shetty, Sports Committee Working President Mahesh Shetty and others were present. Back home, just a few months after, District Police busted a fake certificate racket. A shocking incident has taken place at Kulasa College of Nursing in the city. The original SSLC and second PUC marks card of the students have gone missing from the college. We have a report on this. Tension prevailed at the Kulasa Nursing College premises on Monday, March 10th, when the parents and students studying there laid siege on the institute. Students of Kulasa Nursing College and their parents were shocked to know that the SSLC second PUC original marks card had gone missing. The parents alleged that the SSLC and second PUC original marks card of over 90 students studying there have gone missing.
His request is let them produce our certificate to us. We'll give them the duplicate. Let them accept our duplicate certificates and let them produce our original to us. That's what we.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಕುಲಾಸು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ 3rd ಇಯರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಕೂಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ವಾರದ ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೇ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಈಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆದರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದರೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಫೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Speaking to the media, Stanley Alvarez, one of the protesters, said that the management had earlier insulted him when he asked them for the certificates.
ಇವರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ನೀವು ವಿಷಯ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಈ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನೀನು ಯಾರು, ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೆಗ್ಗರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೂರು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಹಣ ಮಾಡುವ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ SSLC ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ PUC ಮತ್ತೆ SSLC ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ.
Trying to calm the protesters, Culasso Nursing College trustee Teresa claimed that Dr. K.K. Varghese, who was the former administrator of the college, had stolen all these certificates.
The exact problem is the certificates SSLC and PUC are missing. They have been stolen by a previous administrator, Dr. K.K. Varghese, and so that the students don't suffer. We want to apply to the SSLC and PUC board to get a fresh copy.
Kadri Station Police rushed to the spot and tried to calm the protesters. Later in the evening, Dr. K.K. Varghese paid a visit to the Kadri Police Station and denied all the allegations made against him. Speaking to the media, Dr. Varghese said that he was not heading the nursing school since many years but only heading the hospital. He said that there was no possibility of him stealing the certificates.
15 students came to my house and said that they are asking 25,000 rupees as bond. Then I said, 50 students came, I said that I have taken you. I have promised that there is no bond. So you don't pay it. If you go to the court, I will go to the court and tell that there is no bond. So one girl has given a case in the consumer protection. One Sunita, local girl. She telephoned me last week, tomorrow is the case. I said, you send a summons to me. I cannot come like that. I will explain to them, the magistrate, that there is no bond at all. I have taken the students telling this fact. That time they went to their house. Immediately, you know what they told? Dr. Varghese has left, he has no business in this institution. Now they are saying that Dr. Varghese has taken. You just imagine, sir, the difference. This is what is real. And one thing is sure, sir, I am a doctor.
Allegation to you, sir?
Because there is no other chance, sir. What they are going to tell to the parents?
So, where the certificate has gone?
It is in KNC, I think so.
Huh?
KNC. I think so. Or with Navi.
Any possibility of misuse? Because there are allegations.
No, sir. They cannot misuse. How they can misuse, sir?
Means some rackets are there.
No. I don't think that nobody can misuse a certificate.
It must be recalled here that fake certificate rackets were busted in the city by the police a few months back. After all these allegations and counter-allegations, now the ball is in the court of the district police, who have to investigate the case and protect the interests of the students. The music buffs of Mangalore city were in for a musical treat at Town Hall on Monday, March 10th. The much-awaited Sanskriti Sinchana 2008, organized jointly by Alva's Education Trust and Justice K.S. Hegde Charitable Foundation, was inaugurated by none other than Nagathihalli Chandrasekhar. M. Mohan Alva is a household name in Mangalore. From the last many decades, he has been working hard to promote and preserve the culture and tradition of Tulunadu. It is not wrong to say that he is the cultural ambassador of Tulunadu. Continuing its efforts to promote cultural activities, Alva's Education Trust, led by Dr. Mohan Alva, in association with Justice K.S. Hegde Charitable Foundation, has organized a series of programs, Sanskriti Sinchana 2008 at Town Hall. Eminent filmmaker Nagathihalli Chandrasekhar inaugurated the program on Monday, March 10th.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ತೀವ್ರವಾದ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿಕಟತೆ ಅದು ಮುಖವಾಡ ರಹಿತವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಲಕ್ಷಣವಾಗಿದೆ.
Nitya Education Trust Chairman N. Vinay Hegde, Alva's Education Trust President M. Mohan Alva, Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao were present at the inaugural ceremony. Sanskriti Sinchana Award 2008 was conferred on flutist Surmani Praveen Godkindi and violinist Dr. Mysore Manjunath. Later, Praveen Godkindi and Mysore Manjunath left the audience spellbound with their breathtaking Jugalbandi. saw Grip Mangaloreans on Monday, March 10th, as a unique roadshow reached the city with a bang in the evening. Like any other roadshow, this one too had an objective, that is to give publicity to the much-awaited football tournament Budweiser 6 vs 6 Cup. Launched weeks back in the country, the roadshow arrived in Mangalore after passing through the major cities of the country. The main motto of the roadshow, like any other roadshow, is to popularize Budweiser 6 vs 6 Cup 2008, scheduled to be held at Old Trafford in Manchester, in United Kingdom on May 5th. Monday, March 10th saw football fans rejoice as the Budweiser 6 on 6 Cup Roadshow came to Mangalore, bringing in the excitement of the upcoming tournament to local football fans. This unique roadshow gave an opportunity for the local football players to register for the Budweiser 6 on 6 Cup 2008. The specially designed float-on-wheels Budweiser Cup Stadium enthralled Mangaloreans, anchoring itself near Mahavira Circle at Pumpwell on Monday evening. The custom-made truck recreated the magic of Old Trafford Stadium, featuring cheerleaders, games and contests, football memorabilia and registration forms for up to 6 amateur players to register as a team and participate in the unique international tournament. The roadshow reached Mangalore after holding a similar show in Manipal on Saturday, March 9th. Budweiser 6 on 6 Cup 2008 is scheduled to be held at Old Trafford in Manchester, in United Kingdom on May 5th. Event coordinator Anil Manjunath told TV Daiji World that India is participating for the first time in the unique tournament this year. National winners will receive a package that includes access to Manchester United training facilities, a chance to meet Manchester United legends.
One team India represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ once in a lifetime opportunity ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೂ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವ್ನು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇಶನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಂಥ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅವರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋವಾಗ ಅವರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲಿ. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು.
Football enthusiasts who want to realize their dream of meeting Manchester United legends can also register by logging on to www.livethedream.in. The registration closes on March 23rd. That's all we have from our news desk. Let us take a short break now. We will bring you lots of entertainment programs when we come back, so stay tuned to TV Daiji World.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
बहरेनार आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची व्यवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, टिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मंगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.